My neck.
Alright, boys, we playing Don't Press the Button 4. Let's go. Enter the castle. Let's go. And do what in the castle? Reach the end. Oh, did you join yet? Luke, join. Noob.
I don't want to play with this keyboard anymore.
Millionaire. Thank you for playing. Button presser.
How the hell did you get all the way up there? You cheater.
Steven, where you at?
Not you.
Where are you?
Oh, shit. I just saw your brother. I don't know where. I think he died because he sucked. Let's go. Super Dorito. Let's go.
Super idol the shop. Wait, what's
Oh, let's
this?
join your group.
What is this game?
It's don't press the button, Ree.
Yeah, what is it?
You press the button and the mini talent
You press
appears.
the button even though it says don't press the button. Click the
The
Easter egg.
hell?
Where?
Found it. Just kidding.
Yo, I found one.
I found one also. I need to go up, 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 up.
Nah.
Like, it's on their bed.
Let's go, I got another one.
One of them is up the trees, I swear.
Another one.
What? You have tree already?
Yeah, let's go.
Oh, there's a mud area? What is this?
Another one.
Can't find any.
I found a lot. Yo, I got another one.
You cheat. What?
I have 4.
I have one.
I have 4 too. Maybe because you suck.
Two! Beat that, dumb.
I got 4, Ree. Actually, I got 5.
I'm gonna go up. I'm gonna go up the trees.
I found a 6th one. Let's go.
Bro, stop cheating.
Who won?
Stop cheating, noob.
Someone found 7.
I was about to find it.
Seven?
Yo, what's up? You're done. I got you, bitch.
You mother. How does it feel like, huh, Dom? How does it feel like?
Shut up. I shot you, then got shot. By this girl, I think.
Fine.
Phoebe, bro.
I
Phoebe
think.
lost.
Hold on, I got you.
I like the epic mini games version. Oh, beat that mini game.
Wait, why do I keep doing that? Let me get emotes.
They're so
Bro, it's
laggy.
slash exams.
No, I got my own. Get out of here,
Come on.
the boo.
Oh, what
Oh,
the? Boom.
Come on, bitch.
Yeah. Easy.
yo, let's
We're in
go.
space.
Have you guys ever seen a cupcake in space? Now you have.
No.
Bro, this girl got a blaster.
Oh, what the?
It's okay, her aim's trash.
That ain't fair.
She bought it.
That's not fair.
She probably bought it with coins. It cost like 7,000 coins.
What's the point of this mini game?
Bruh, she fucking killed
Escape the
me.
burning building. Escape the burning building.
She killed me.
I'm there, big dog.
Bro,
I died.
I hate that right there.
that's what she gets.
I thought we were supposed to go up.
Idiot.
No, you gotta go down. I also thought I had to go up when I first started the game. But then again, it is escape the burning building, so why would you go up?
We reached the end. Good thing I'm a parkour pro.
That's why I'm in front.
Guys, he's flying.
Who?
Ay, what's that? My jump space, my space button didn't work. Oh, don't look behind you.
Let's go.
Piece of shit smacked into win too.
Noob.
That's why I was here first. Easy. Where you at?
You tell me this out.
This thing was so
I
easy.
died.
Put gravity on others by shooting them with this.
I
Bro,
wanted
we
to
played
get
this
that
game
ruby.
Bro, I went back to get the red coin thingy.
Yeah,
red
I tried to
coin?
do that too after I made it.
Someone spawned out of the.
I hate when that happens. Dude, I got like, bruh. I did.
Look at this. I
What?
survived
Rodden.
from hell.
No,
One
wait. I had to do
HP.
it. Why'd you press the button? Kiko, you suck. Help!
Accident
Help!
ending.
Bruh. The person that pressed the button is safe.
Bruh, such a sib. He's a girl, that means he gets to survive.
Slow acid.
I would have you to stand up
Okay,
and
it's
rewrite.
overflowing.
Bruh!
Grab the most ring. Bet.
I'm so slow,
Bang.
what the hell?
Bang. Bang.
Oh,
Bang.
shit.
Bang.
Where is he?
Bang. Bang.
Bro,
Boom.
what the hell?
Boom. Boom. Boom.
Hey, I'm just out here getting the coins,
Well.
bro. What's good? You probably won.
Pretty.
Bro,
You
stop
see.
stealing my coins, you re. Oh my, you suck. Bro, come
Oh, wait, how much
on.
is
Nice, you won, you won, you won.
Easy.
You said 12 rings.
Ah, reach the end.
Bro.
Why is my
Damn.
so bad?
Damn.
Dumb. No.
Cockroach.
You can skip that part.
My game.
You can't skip. Goofy
Bruh.
ass game, bro.
Alright.
Skip it, I dare you, bum.
I can't. I keep fucking dying.
Ah.
This part's so easy.
Come on.
Come raise me. Raise me.
Easy peasy lemon
Why is
squeezy.
it taking so long? It's like a
Bruh.
dumb to win.
And yet he still can't win.
I did win, Ree.
Oh my god. B?
R. Oh my god, you died.
Can you just go in between? Speedrun. Oh.
Oh,
I was lagging so much that the platforms both appeared and then I did the parkour easily.
Ah! Let me press the button.
hey,
I
get
died
out of
already.
here.
Bro, I can't see anyone.
Get out of
anything.
here.
It's just so easy on my days.
Mm.
Okay, it's red.
Bro, stupid.
It's not red!
I
What is it, dumb? What is it? What is it? It's blue, then
It's
what?
just yellow and blue.
it says,
Okay.
ah, help.
Get out of my way, noob.
For real.
Easy!
Come on, Dom, you can do it.
Shut up.
You can do this.
Oh, here comes
Bro.
Dom!
I failed.
For real.
Dom, bro, what happened with you?
I fucking died. What do you mean what happened to me?
Oh my god. No, you're so bad. How'd you die?
For real.
Shut up.
Dom! Oh, red
Wait, which
coin.
way is it? Which way is it? I think it's this way.
Oh man, what a. That's not fair.
Bro,
Oh.
wait, what is it? What is it?
Alright, come follow me, Dom. Come follow me. Come follow me. Come follow
And
me.
died!
Oh, I still won.
Wait,
Dom,
where?
Dom.
Where?
Dom, just go
Where?
straight. Just go straight. Just go straight. Go straight. I want that ruby.
Here. And then just keep on going forward. You die, but then you still win.
Hey, let's go, I made it.
But why didn't you?
I
Why didn't you
did.
die, Dom?
I ditched you. I was so confused.
Goofy ass.
They're camping the ruby.
I'm camping the ruby. Get away, man. Wait, why don't we just go for that ruby in the end? Ah, I'm gonna get it. 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 I'm gonna get
What
it.
do they do? Oh, they give
Got it.
+5.
Ruby.
I
Wait,
mean,
let me try and
you
see if I.
I almost got
get the ruby.
1,000 coin-a-roonies. I could almost get the jetpack.
Get
For what?
ready. Wait.
Bruh! Somebody just blew me. No context.
Oh mother. Oh my. Ah, Dom, you lost. Get out of here, noob.
So did you.
But you lost first.
I don't care. I was confused.
Come fight me, bitch.
Are you playing in first person or no?
No!
I was playing in third person.
Epic mini games rip off. Ah!
Watch out for the
Dom,
mommy.
I spawned on the pyramid.
Lol.
This is what happens when retards find mummies.
Someone stepped in the spikes.
Juke? Get your ass, Juke. Hey, help me.
Hey. I'm
Will
not
you?
helping you, Dom.
Very
Dom, be my meat shield.
I'm gonna lead them straight to you. Oh, your ass is dead.
I didn't die. Oh, I did. Help Santa find the present.
No,
I know when's at
Bingo.
always. Yo, never mind.
I
Epic.
think it's very vital. You walk around it right on top.
I'm a helper. You guys aren't.
I'm a helper, noobs.
I was a helper
Be
too.
careful. Oh,
Behind.
I spawned under the map. Be
Bro.
careful.
It's sorry.
Oh yeah, look at this.
Careful.
Damn, son, where'd you find?
She fell. Why are the blonde people in Roblox so bad?
Oh, he placed a spike. What a noob. I'm so scared. What are we supposed to do now?
I don't know how you do
So
this.
bad. Careful.
Weird.
I'm gonna get the laser
Alright,
glass and then kill everything.
I'm at I'm at
Yes, let's go ahead and start,
So,
noob.
see you later.
Eat my crop dust.